So we are entering my car. Sorry guys ha, pero hindi ako makagawa ng proper na intro. Welcome back to my channel, and today's video is going to be a car tour. So I was thinking of a video na madaling i-film. Leyley! Sorry si Leyley yung maingay. Na madaling i-film, hindi ko kailangang mag-ayos kasi sayang yung aking bina-facial, and ayoko rin magkulot ng buhok today since treatment ko siya. Sayang naman kung i-iron out ko agad. But anyway, I'm going to set up my camera first before proceeding with this video. And as I have told you before, I was quite hesitant to do a car tour video dahil ang kotse ko ay hindi naman laging malinis. Kasi yung totoo guys, hindi naman talaga lagi natin nililinis yung mga kotse natin. I do not bring my car to expensive car wash, something, mga detailing, ganyan. I do not as well ever do something to my car na parang mga pang car show or what. Hindi ako mahilig sa mga ganong bagay. And I find that it is so expensive. So para sa akin, wala talaga sa budget ko yung magpalit ng mags or kung ano-anong ginagawa, palit ng ilaw. Well, first and foremost guys, the reason why I chose this car is because I came from a smaller car. Yung dati kong kotse, it's a Suzuki Swift. So this is not my first car. And yung Suzuki Swift na yon, I had it for nakalimutan ko na ko ilang years, but I got it for my 18th birthday, and then yun yung ginagamit ko nung college. And during that time, that was a perfect car for me since masikip sa Manila at hindi naman ako magaling mag-park. So okay na okay siya sa akin and mabilis siya. We decided that it's time to sell the car kasi medyo luma na siya. So ito na yung pumalit. Honestly guys, this is not my first choice. Ang first choice ko talaga is a Toyota 86, yung parang two-door na sports car. Actually, it's not a sports car. Sabi daw nila drift car, and wala akong alam sa mga ganyan. Pumayag yung tatay ko unang-una kasi yung ramp dito sa bahay, sobrang steep niya. So we had to do contraption. Basta something na paakyat para hindi siya sasadsad. And dito sa lugar namin, hindi naman kami nakatira sa exclusive subdivision. May times na bumabaha. Hindi laging bumabaha pero may times sa pag sobrang grabe, like Ondoy, Habagat. Yun lang naman yung mga times sa bumaha. Kaya ang ginawa na lang namin, we decided on an SUV. Dapat yung FJ Cruiser yung kukunin ko, but I am happy na ito yung kinuha ko. Mas mura si FJ compared to this one, but the thing is, I think yung FJ na sinasabi ko is going to be the last of the FJ Cruisers. So magkakaroon ako ng problema if ever hindi na magre-release na susunod or hindi na sila magre-release ng mga parts. I searched for a car and then nakita ko to, Subaru. We went to Subaru EDSA. I got this sa Subaru EDSA pala. And the sales agent was a lady. During the day na pumunta kami, I was able to test drive the car. Sobrang parang hindi lang ako nag-transition sa SUV. Parang kotse lang siya i-drive, magaan siya. And nung nag-play siya ng music, dun talaga ako nakuha. Although hindi ako lagi nag-play ng music, sobrang ganda ng tunog ng kotse. Kompleto siya ng unnecessary speakers. Hindi ko naman kailangan hanggang likuran, hanggang gilid ng kotse and all that. Sabi ng mga sumasakay, mas maingay daw sa likod ng kotse. So kami ni Jelly parang okay lang sa amin. Yun pala, ang lakas na sa likuran. So that was one of the reason it sold me out. And what else ba? Madali siyang gamitin. Automatic yung tailgate niya. Bumubukas na yung ilaw niya pagka madilim. Nagwa-wiper na siya pag umaambon. What else? This is a power seat, pero yung passenger hindi pa siya power seat. And then yung seat sa likod, pagka gusto mo siya ibaba, ipe-press ka lang. I do not know kung na-film ko yun. Basta maipe-press ka lang, bababa siya. So hindi siya katulad sa mga bigger SUVs na effort talagang magtiklop Well, nowadays, lahat naman meron ng backup camera. Tawag ko doon. Hindi ko alam. Basta yung pag umaatras ka, makikita mo na yung parang makikita mo kung may maatrasan ka ba or what. And ano pa ba? Feeling ko talaga guys, nagbebenta ako ng kotse sa inyo. But anyway, this is already 3 years old. So, hindi siya bago. Ang dami ko na sinabi guys. Let's proceed with the car tour. Pasok tayo sa kotse. And I will enter by the passenger's door since mas marami akong maipapakita dito. First off, ayan. Medyo inayos ko ng konti yan guys ha. This is the passenger's door and we have the Harman Kardon speakers. We have a perfume from Body Shop. This is the ito yung ginagawa kong spray dito sa kotse, Atlas Mountain Rose. I have a tripod and lagi kong tinatry talaga mag-tripod but hindi ko talaga magawa for when I am vlogging because Mas madaling hawakan na lang yung camera. And then I have alcohol. And then my Stella McCartney perfume. So that kung lalabas ako, mostly nakakalimutan kong mag-spray ng perfume. So I have that. Ito siya guys. I think I've already shown this sa aking haul video or what. And then inside, dito sa my matting, sa floor, we have my Stan Smith shoes na hanggang ngayon ay hindi ko pa rin nakahanapan ng white laces. May LV slippers that I bought sa Singapore. And if you're seeing fur ng aso, it's because I have dogs. I bring them in my car. And then dito sa compartment, when you open it, oh my goodness. First off, we have napkin, TMI, but I have a napkin in my compartment. I always wear my tampons. Again, TMI, but since tampons, sometimes it leaks. So I have to have panty liners. And then, 3-in-1 na coffee bean and tea leaf na coffee. Hindi ko alam kung ba't may ganyan ko siya. And then, doggy diapers. You gotta have doggy diapers para pagka isasakay mo sila, susot ka na lang. Or baka may suot sila, tapos nawiwian, you have to have another one. So, ayan. And then, I have, ano to? Okay, ring box. Hindi ko alam na meron ako nito. Siguro, may binenta ko dati na hindi kinuha yung box. So, ayan, ring box. And then, I have my LV small agenda. Ayan siya. And when you open, okay, those are my information. And then, tingnan nyo naman ang pinakaunang nakasulat. My favorite Pinoy, kung ano man yan. Of chicheria, vinegar pusit, oishi spicy, snacko. I'm not going to read this out to you because I might do a video. Papers ng kotse, and I wouldn't get into this because hindi ko naman alam kung anong laman niya. Mostly, ang nag-aasikaso nito si Tito kasi hindi ako marunong ng mga ganitong bagay. And then, I have a lot of papers na hindi ko rin alam kung ano. I have this sticker na Pomeranian in car, kaya lang hindi ko siya nilagay dahil wrong spelling, wrong. My luminis papers, ito yung mga procedure na ginawa sa akin. Actually, pwede na rin ako maglinis habang ginagawa ko to. Centro Fitness. Oh my goodness. Nakalimutan ko na to. I was supposed to enroll myself in a gym because hindi siya natuloy, so basura na to. And more of the Centro Fitness. I'm sorry, Centro Fitness. Invitation nung isang taon pa siya, 2015, December 19, 2015. Hello, Ate Faye. If ever you will watch this, I kept your invitation in my car. And ito naman ay 2016 updated. Wait lang. 6/18/16. Kina Ate Ava to. Ayan, Ate Ava. Tinago ko siya dito sa kotse. Pasensya na kayo, hindi pa talaga ako naliligo. Yun yung katotohanan. And then I have ID for the math in detail. All access pass. Hanggang ngayon nandito pa rin siya. Anong date nito? July 16 and it's now October. Pero sayang yung lanyard, so I'm going to keep this. What else? I have a nail file. I have Hong Kong dollars. Now, I do not know why I have Hong Kong dollars right here kasi ang huli kong pinuntahan ay Singapore, kaya hindi ko alam kung bakit Hong Kong dollars. We have 20... This is 100 Hong Kong dollars. Hindi ko alam kung bakit ako meron yan. But anyway, next we have Difflam Forte. So, this is something that I bring with me because pag nangangati yung aking throat. KJM Cheek and Lip Tint in the shade Tango. I have 2 necklaces na may face ni Jesus. This is a small image na pwede mong ilagay sa dashboard, but I just kept this dito sa my compartment. Ito, hindi ko to alam. Bakit may Doraemon dito sa kotse ko? Pero mukhang galing siya sa kung saan man. Hindi kaya sa ano to ni Troy, sa Crocs ni Troy Chi, but Doraemon. Huwag nyo na akong tanongin kung bakit may ganyan. So guys, nabawasan na to kasi kanina, nagtanggal na ako ng mga pinag-drive-thruhan. So ayan, ngayon, nakakapaglinis ako ng kotse ng persahan. I have trash pile number 1. In the middle, very simple lang. But in this pocket or in this compartment, I keep my car keys. Kasi pag siya ay nalayo sa gitna ng kotse, tutunog siya because keyless entry siya, guys. Doesn't have any key. Yan lang yung kanyang parang remote. And then we have ano ba, gear something, I do not know how you call it. And then the X mode, I love this because when it's traffic, mabagal yung kotse mo other than the usual na takbo niya. Hindi ko alam kung paano explain, but I love this when it's traffic. And then I have my Tom Ford glasses right here. This one was sent to me by One Victrix. Actually, hindi ko pa siya nagagamit. Kalalagay ko lang dyan kanina. It's a perfume something. Ano bang tawag dito? Air purifier or what. Pwede ka maglagay ng scent and then naka-charge lang siya dun sa parang lagayan ng lighter, nung cigarette, something like that. And then ito yung kanyang maliit na perfume oil. So, I'm going to try this out next time. And when you open this, guys, we have some coins, bills. Pwede mo siyang tanggalin. And then we have tissue. What else? Wipes, USB charger. Ito yung charger nitong perfume. And then, let's put this back. There. And then, this also serves as an armrest for both passenger and driver. Pwede mo siyang iganyan. Now, another thing that I love about my car is that meron siyang cruise control ata yung tawag doon. So, when you reach the speed of 60, pwede mo nang iangat yung paa mo sa pedal and then it goes on. Basta i-click mo lang yan. And then, you can speed up and slow down using this one. Basta hindi siya bababa sa 60. So, wala ka nang inaapakan. You're just holding the steering wheel. Some buttons there. I'm not going to show you na. It's where I turn on the car. Now, dito naman tayo sa may likod. We have, ito ay payong na hindi ko alam kung kanino. Ay, ito yung ginamit namin ni Rach. This is the payong of my inay from Universal Studios. My inay has something for payongs dahil mahilig siya sa payong. Anywhere she goes, she buys payongs. Ito yung binili ko kagabi. Ink cartridges. And then I have another pair of, dito, shoes from Prima Donna. Yung dapat ko susuotin sa Belo. My laptop sleeves from Givenchy. And then, my Beats. What else? Nandito sa gilid, these are my French lessons. Sa sobrang tagal na yung mga aking notes and hindi ko pa rin tinatanggal. On the other side, let's go there. We have more snacks. We have pistachios. And yung binili namin ni Rach na nakalimutan ko na. Let's bring this inside. From Marks & Spencer, cookies. Naku, pwede pa to. Isang linggo na. Jacket right there. Let's go sa likod. Another feature that I love about my car is that automatic yung likod. So, pag marami kang dala, pwede mo siyang i-click na lang or i-open. And then, pag walang laman, pwede mo siyang ilagay na ganyan. But I have more shoes right here. Ayan. So, pwede ako mamili ng shoes wherever I go. And then, we have payong from BDO, yung malaking payong golf umbrella atayan. And then, ang nakalimutan ko ng binili ko from H&M. Ibig sabihin, hindi importante to. Ang cute itong dalawa. Kanina magkatabi sila nakaupo. Thank you so much for watching. It was an effort filming there dahil mainit na and katanghali ang tapat. I hope this helps to other car owners pero wala naman ata ako na ibigay na tips. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. Maraming salamat! Bye-bye! And let's open the box. Oops! Ayan, lumipad na yun. This is how it looks like inside, and the one that's lumipad is something that says, "Hey Anna, dreaming of a velvety matte finish for today's look? Don't bother looking elsewhere because we're giving it to you. Hurry up and uncover Maybelline Works first ever soft matte hydrating foundation.